Hi everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. I recently saw a macrame hip belt in a mass market store and thought, we absolutely need to make one ourselves. It's a very simple project. The knotting takes just a couple of hours and in the end you get a trendy accessory while saving money. Please support me by subscribing, liking and commenting. Thank you! Well, let's get started! For this project we'll need 56 meters of 3-strand twisted cotton rope, 3 mm thick. I cut all the cords in advance and arranged them into groups by length, so I can easily pick them up as I go. Take the base cord 1.6 meters long. If you have a thicker rope, for example 5 mm, you can use it for the base. Fold it in half and tape the center to the table. Lay the cord horizontally, pull it tight and secure both ends. Now we'll need two cords, each 1.5 meters long. Take the first cord, fold it in half, and attach it to the base cord on the right side of the center. Attach the second cord right next to it. Looking for more beautiful macrame projects? Join the Macrame Tutorials Club and get access to exclusive full-length video tutorials with voice guidance and unique designs I don't share anywhere else. Inside the club you'll discover a growing collection of creative macrame projects, from stylish accessories to cozy home decor, all designed with love and attention to detail. New tutorials are released regularly in the Macrame Tutorials Club, and the collection keeps growing. For parties, celebrations and special events, I've prepared a collection of sparkling accessories, now available in the club. You'll also find a selection of cozy seasonal projects. And that's not all, many more unique designs and creative projects are on the way. It's the best way to keep learning, stay inspired and support my work. Click join to start creating with me today. Attach the next two pairs of cords on the left side of the center. Take another pairs of cords, each 1.5 meters, and attach them on the right side, leaving a small gap. Attach the next pair, same length, on the left side. Attach a third pair on the left side. Then take cords 1.6 meters long and attach them on the right. This will be the third pair on that side. Continue on the right side, attaching pairs in the sequence shown on screen. This is how we've placed 9 pairs on the right side. Now do the same on the left. Leave about 3 cm between the groups. The total width of all attached groups is 78 centimeters. You can start from either side. I'll start from the left. Each group has 4 cords. Using these 4 cords, tie a left-facing square knot. First loop to the left, second loop to the right. Then tighten. Move to the next group and repeat. Continue tying square knots across all groups. Done. We now have 18 square knots. Next we'll work the second row in a staggered pattern. Take one pair from one knot and another pair from the neighboring knot. 4 cords total, and tie a square knot slightly below the first row. Leave about 2 cm between rows. Move to the next 4 cords and repeat at the same distance. Continue working across the row. Done. We have 17 square knots in the second row, with extra pairs remaining at the edges. The third row is the same as the first, 19 square knots. Tie each knot at the same distance, and at the edges you'll get longer loops. Continue across the row. At the end, use the last 4 cords to tie the final square knot. From the center, count 2 square knots to the left. Use this diagonal as a guide. I'll mark it with a pen for clarity. Here we are selecting 10 square knots in the third row on the right side. From this section, continue knotting in a decreasing pattern. The next row will have 9 square knots. The outer pairs are no longer used. Then continue decreasing. 8 knots in the next row, then 7, 6, 5 and so on, until you reach on final knot. This creates a triangle shape. Now move to the left side and add a few more knots. Start from this point using the marker as a guide. Tie 1 knot. Then 2 more. Three in total. Move to the next row and repeat. 3 knots again. Then make another row of 3 knots below. In the corner, tie 1 square knot. And you can add another one slightly above if you like. This is the final shape. Following the reference, I am making the belt 60 cm long. Lay the belt flat, align all the ends, measure 60 cm and place a strip of tape at that point, pressing all the cords into it. Then trim the ends along the top edge. This mark gives us the final length, 60 cm. If you have beads, you can decorate the ends of the base cords or simply tie knots. Your belt is ready! What do you think of the result?